guys, so today we are going to be making a deep conditioning hair mask that's also great for hair growth, and it is amazing to use if your hair is extremely dry or damaged, or if you know that your hair needs moisture. And also this hair mask is great for taming down any frizz on your hair. And actually this hair mask is something that I use right now just because in our country, in the Philippines, it's summer. So this hair mask along with my hair care routines goes really well together in keeping my hair hydrated and moisturized all day in this crazy hot weather here in my country. So if you guys are interested in how to make this, then just keep on watching and let's get started.
So since it is the avocado season here in my country, I eat and make avocado hair mask as much as I can because it is available right now. And this is actually one of the main ingredients that we are using in this hair mask. Now, the avocados are amazing for conditioning and moisturizing the hair because the fatty amino acids from the avocado coats your hair shaft and help it retain moisture. So this is ideal to use if you have dry and damaged hair. It is also rich in vitamin A, B6, D, vitamin E, copper, amino acids, magnesium, folic acid, and iron that helps nourishes the hair and scalp. Thus, it promotes healthy hair growth. Now, the next ingredient that we are going to be using is Mayo. Now, Mayo is an amazing deep conditioning treatment because it is rich in amino acids and nourishing oils. It also helps with hair growth because of the presence of L-cysteine, an amino acid in mayonnaise that aids in nourishing your scalp to promote and boost hair growth. Mayo can also help treat dandruff, smoothen frizzy hair, and as well add shine and luster to your hair. So the next ingredient is sweet almond oil. Now, sweet almond oil is probably one of my favorite hair growth oils and also one of the oils that are really great for softening the hair. It is rich in vitamin E, monosaturated fatty acids, potassium, and zinc. It is also great to use to keep your hair manageable and tangle-free. Now, the next one is olive oil. Now, this oil is a great addition to this hair mask because it helps soften the hair, and also this is such a great deep conditioning treatment. Plus, it prevents split ends, makes the hair manageable, helps with dry scalp, and prevents dandruff. Now, the last step is optional, but I'm adding in my Schwarzkopf treatment to make this mask smell good. And also, this just boosts the effectiveness of this hair mask. But this hair mask is great to use as is. Okay, so in the blender, I just put in the avocados. I used 2 ripe avocados for my hair since it's long, and I'm also adding in 2 scoops of mayo. For that, I will be adding in 5 tablespoons of almond oil, 2 tablespoons of the Schwarzkopf treatment, and then 7 tablespoons of the olive oil. And then I just blended everything until it is smooth, just like this. It has to be in this consistency so that it will be easy to apply on the hair later. Alright, so now I'm going to pour this into this container right here and store it in the fridge because this proportion is good for 2 uses for me.
I am specifically putting it into the ends first because this is the part where I really want to be moisturized, especially in the season. This is also great because since I'm actually trying to grow out my hair for a hair photo shoot, you know, I trim my hair less. So this is really going to preserve my ends to make them look decent and also to prevent split ends. And also the very reason why I added in my treatment, it's because I want my hair to smell good. Because if you guys have ever experienced putting mayo on your hair, it really does make your hair smell. So that's why I added in my hair treatment. That's why my hair smells good right now. I can actually stand the smell. Okay, so if you're just using this just for a deep conditioning treatment, you can go ahead and just use it on the mid and on the bottom part of your hair, especially on your ends. But however, if you're also using this for hair growth, or if your scalp is kind of dry at the moment, you can go ahead and put this on your scalp, which is exactly what I'm doing as well. My hair just turned green. I'm also going to include my bangs right there because my bangs need some moisture, because recently I have been using medium heat on my bangs to tame them. So also let me know in the comments down below if you all want a video of me on how I tame my bangs and how I style them, because that's what I'm doing at the moment. Okay, so now that my hair is fully soaked with the hair mask, I'm just gonna be doing this kind of like the baggy method style. So I'm just gonna wrap my hair with this plastic to let it naturally heat up. I'm letting this stay on my hair for an hour. So guys, after I air dried my hair, this is what it looks like right now. I really like how it gave my hair some shine, and it's also very soft and smooth right now. And actually, if you are going to be using this deep conditioning hair mask, you don't necessarily have to use conditioner because it's very conditioning for the hair. And I actually also find that if you are experiencing protein overload on your hair, this hair mask is also great to use on your hair as well because it doesn't make your hair dry and brittle. And also, as I've said, I'm using this hair mask on my hair twice a week because right now in the Philippines it is extremely hot and there's always a tendency that your hair is going to dry out, or as I've said, your hair is going to experience frizz due to the humidity. So that's why this mask is amazing to use in this time of year. Actually, I've included this hair mask, this DIY hair mask, along with my summer hair care routine. And if you guys want to see my summer hair care routine, just let me know in the comments down below, just because this is actually one of the hair masks that I have been using on my hair right now, and I really do like its result. And also I like how it makes my hair so flowy and like bouncy just like that. So this mask definitely is not going to weigh down your hair. And also when I was brushing it with my wet brush, I really do notice that my hair was very easy to detangle. And right now, I don't know if you all can see, but I really do like how it smoothened my hair. I don't have hair sticking out or anything. And also, as I've mentioned, this DIY hair mask is also great for the scalp. I really felt like my scalp was really moisturized because of this hair mask, but however, at the same time, it didn't make my scalp look oily or made my hair look way down. And also, as I've said, it also has some hair growth properties, so that is a big bonus. Overall, I really do like the results of it on my hair. So yep, that is it, you guys. I hope you all liked this video, and if you did, please give this video a thumbs up, and also let me know in the comments down below what more hair DIYs, or basically just in general, what kind of hair videos would you all want me to make. And I will see you on my next video. Bye!